Hello, hello. At our last meeting, we talked about branding specifically for presentations. And so while there are some templates that do exist, you too can just use Canva and Duncanvillize it, as we like to say, and use the brand colors and official logos to make it your own. And so if you go to your brand kit, you automatically have specific official colors and logos that automatically load so that you can then begin changing any presentation to suit district specific needs.